With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says, give a suitable word or phrase for the following. The compound formed by partial or complete replacement of hydrogen ion H plus aqueous of an acid by basic radical such as metallic ion or ammonium ion. So such compounds or you can say salts which are formed by the replacement of H plus ion of an acid by basic radical such as metal ion or ammonium ion are known as acidic salts. For example, if we react hydrochloric acid HCl with ammonium hydroxide, then it is going to form ammonium chloride plus water molecule. Over here you can clearly see that your H positive of your acid is getting replaced by the ammonium ion. Okay, this ammonium ion, NH4 positive ammonium ion, replaces H plus ion from the HCl molecule, which is acid molecule. Okay, so such salt, the salt formed here is ammonium chloride. So this salt or the compound is known as acid salt. Therefore, the compound which is formed by partial or complete replacement of hydrogen ion of an acid by a basic radical will be known as acid salt. So the answer will be acidic salt. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.